Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, third chapter algebra, exercise 3.10. Already in first subdivisions 5 sums were there I completed. Now second sum. The number of volleyball games that must be scheduled in a league with n teams is given by Gn is equal to n squared minus n by 2, where each team plays with every other team exactly once. A league schedules 15 games. How many teams are there in the league? So in the question it is given Gn is equal to n squared minus n by 2. So here a league schedules 15 games, that is Gn is equal to 15. So if we substitute 15 here, 15 is equal to n squared n by 2. So when we simplify this, we get n squared minus n is equal to 15 into 2 is 30. So n squared minus n minus 30 is equal to 0. Okay, n squared minus n minus 30 is equal to 0. So here a league scheduled 15 games. How many teams are there in the league? So if we find the value of n, that is the number of teams in the league. Okay, so here when we simplify, this is a quadratic equation. So when we simplify this, we will get the value for n. So that will be the answer for the given question. So here n squared minus n minus 30. So when we multiply any two numbers, that will be minus 30. Same two numbers if we add, it is minus 1. So if we take 6 and 5, 6 5s are 30 will get. When we subtract this 6 and 5, it is 1. So here minus is there, so we put minus for the bigger number. So n squared minus 6n plus 5n minus 30 is equal to 0. So when we simplify this, these two, the next one. So n into n minus 6. So n minus 6 means plus 5 is equal to 0. So we'll get n plus 5 and n minus 6 is equal to 0. So n plus 5 is equal to 0 and n minus 6 is equal to 0. So n is minus 5, n is equal to 6. So negative number of teams may not be there. So n is equal to 6. So how many teams are there in the league? There are 6 teams in the league. There are 6 teams in the league. There are 6 teams in the league. So this is how it has to be done. Okay.